Hello, this is Solomon Davis, Right Side Trader. Today is August 5th, 2023, and this is my weekly market review where I review the Nasdaq 100 on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only. As we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading, so please get advice from your financial advisor, check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is actually suitable for you. Again, no trade recommendations here. This is just a review of what I see and what I believe may happen in the market. Well, my opinion. All right, let's just jump right over to the chart. We're starting off with a quarterly chart. And on this quarterly chart, I am seeing a doji, but this is only the beginning of the second month in the quarter. We kind of was expecting a little pullback. We are near a top, so this is giving us that warning sign. Okay, there's a little selling pressure out there in this market where we expect it to be. I have a zone here before we actually break the top. This is something that I like doing to give me, okay, don't panic yet. But this market may not be doing what you expect, what you needed to do in your long positions. My long positions have already called. The calls are off, and it's decided if I want to take, profit or not, or what I want to do at this time. No trade recommendations there. Just, again, follow your plan, follow your strategy, and see what's going on. Let's switch over here to the monthly chart. On the monthly chart, you usually just have your 10 and your 50, and then you're above the 10, we're still bullish. Although right now at the top here, above my range, we are getting a bearish pattern on a monthly chart. So again, based on what you should, and my stochastic is at the top. For me and my trading plan and my trading strategies, I have to decide, okay, where do I want to have a stop in? Do I want to sell another call? That's the whole thing. I have already in and out, the way I am. Or do I want to get out of my stock altogether? And do I want to put on, is it time for me to put some bearish strategies on at this time? Because the monthly picture from on this month already is telling me you can, but I have to go down to my lower time frame to verify that. Okay, now here on my lower time frame on my weekly chart, I'm seeing, we got a big red week. We are down to my level, but for me to put on a bearish trade at this time, it's a little early for me so I wouldn't be doing it on the Nasdaq, put it that way. So that's what I see right now. We know we're at, let me zoom out just a little bit where you can see this top over here. We're here. We kind of expect this. We know we was going to have a hard time. It was expecting it to slow down. We got a big push, a few weeks back to get above this area. Now we're doing what I kind of expect to come back down and test this area, and then we should be getting a bounce. I want to see what's going to happen next week here on the Nasdaq. And I'll zoom back in a little bit. And next week we're going to be opening below pivot. I expect us, if we're going to come down, we're going to come down at least to a support 1. I would hate to see us come all the way down to a support 2, but that can happen. And let's go down into the daily chart and wrap this on up. And then you can see on the daily chart with these weekly pivots why I kind of say we could come all the way down to here. We'll be filling a gap that was in the market that hasn't been filled and hasn't been traded. So that's why I'm saying we can continue to drop on the Nasdaq. And that's what I see. And that's all I really want to share at this time. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. And I'll talk to you next weekend. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Have a good one. Bye.